What's up, guys? Welcome to HomeCraft cocktails you can make from the comfort of your home. My name is Briss, and today we'll be going over sex on the beach.
You need to leave!
No, not that sex on the beach, you filthy heathens. I'm talking about the cocktail. The drink dates back to around the 80s, and it has actually various different origin stories that none of which have been confirmed. But one of the more popular stories is that Ted Pizzio, who was a bartender at Confetti's Bar in Florida, was trying to sell the most peach schnapps in the Florida area. And peach schnapps at this time was a fairly new phenomenon. So he paired the peach schnapps and basically made a cocktail out of it. And he named it after the reason why he felt like spring breakers came to Florida. And I'm not talking about Disneyland either. But all in all, whether he made it or someone else, all you need to know is that the drink came about sometime in the 80s, and that it's basically just a combination of a fuzzy navel, which is peach schnapps and orange juice, and a Cape Cod, which is vodka and cranberry juice. Now that brief history lesson out of the way, let's get down to actually making the drink. So to start things off, obviously, you need to start by putting ice in your glass. Like so. Next, you'll want to do 1.5 ounces of vodka. And you can actually make sex on the beaches shaken or just build it right in the glass like I'm doing today. Either method is fine. Next, we'll do 1/2 ounce of peach schnapps. After that, you want to do 1.5 ounces of orange juice. And store-bought orange juice is perfectly fine with this. You can also do, fresh squeezed orange juice at home as well. Then you also want to follow that up with another 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. You can use cranberry juice, just actual 100% juice, but cranberry juice cocktail, which I'm using right now, is fine as well. And you kind of just want to pour it slowly to kind of get that like layer effect right on top there, like a sunset. And then lastly, for our ingredients, you want to finish off with a dash of Grenadine right on top. You can also use Creme de Cassis, which is a black currants liqueur, or Chambord, which is raspberry liqueur. And it has like a nice, just reddish tone to it, so that's why I prefer using Grenadine myself. And now that we have the ingredients out of the way, finally we can finish up with the garnishes. Sex on the Beach actually has quite, a few choices you can, choose from when it comes to garnishes. I prefer umbrella, definitely because it's like a beachy, summery drink, and maraschino cherries and an orange slice. So I already have an orange wedge here, so I'll just kind of cut this in half. I'll make an indent in the center. Place that right there. Let me grab my tweezers or tongs or whatever the hell you call these things, so I don't get my hands dirty. Like so. And we have our umbrella. So I'll take one of these. Feeling green today, I guess. And you can get a pack of these little mini umbrellas, I think for like, what, $5? I'm pretty sure this is still my first pack that I got from 2020. So it'll last you a long time for sure. There. And then you'll just finish off with a straw. There you have sex on the beach. Now that we have our drink, let's give it a taste. Man, so the Sex on the Beach really takes me back to just like good times. I'm pretty sure it was one of the first cocktails I ever ordered when I got to college at OSU. Because I mean, it was really, I didn't know that many cocktails. You pretty much just know what you hear in TV or on movies or whatever. So I was like, let me get a Sex on the Beach. 'Cause I was tired of ordering, just the regular old Jack and Coke or J-Mo and Ginger Ale or Vodka Cranberry. I was like, let me actually try a cocktail, and that was just the first one that came to mind. So, but it was, so it has some nostalgia there, but also, I mean, it's a good tasting cocktail. I will say I'm a sucker for, those like citrusy, springy, summery drinks, with your orange juice and cranberry juice and like sweeter notes, stuff like that. I really like this drink a lot, and I mean, not only just taste wise, but even like look at it aesthetically. This drink, you can see this isn't even that good of a gradient, so bear with me on this, but like when you really like layer it like just really nicely, it just has like a really cool, yellow to orange to red out all the way at the bottom, and it's just pristine. So tastes really good, looks really good, and you really can't just go wrong with that. And it's very beginner friendly as well. If you are a newer drinker, I would definitely recommend a Sex on the Beach. It's very easy, very not overwhelming in any capacity at all. And also, like I mentioned earlier, Creme de Cassis or Cassis, that blackcurrants liqueur right here. You can see I barely used it in the 2 years that I've had this bottle. It's only like $7-8, so it's not a big deal. And then a little more expensive, you have Chambord here, which is the raspberry liqueur. This is only the second one that I've bought, and this is the half size, so it's like 375 milliliters. Not the full fifth, which is 750 milliliters. But even still, this only costs $15-16, and it'll last you a long time. So there's that. But other than that, thank you guys for watching this week's video. If you've ever had a Sex on the Beach, let me know how it was. Was it too sweet? Not sweet enough? Was it just right? Just let me know. Other than that, I'll see you guys next week for the next round. Peace.